Hi everyone, I'm Peiwen. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite one-pot recipe, Taiwanese braised pork rice, Loo Peiwen. In front of me, I have all the ingredients ready. So the first ingredients that I'm going to prepare is the shallots. These shallots, right, are like the baby version of onion, but they are not a direct substitute because the taste of shallots is actually a bit spicier and it gives a lot of fragrance and depth to your dish. So what I'm going to do now is to slice them into thin pieces. Next, I'm going to prepare the ginger. Over here, I've got 50 grams of ginger, which I've actually removed the skin using a spoon. I'm going to slice it thinly, to add it into the dish. The purpose of having ginger in a dish, it will remove the smell of the pork so that the other flavors can stand out better. As we know that cooking for two is not an easy task, in all my one-pot recipe, I love to add in more ingredients. In this Loo Peiwen recipe, I'm going to add in eggs and also my favorite tau kwa. We have 2 pieces over here, and later on I'm going to slice them into 4 pieces each. And this tau kwa, I've actually froze it overnight and thawed earlier. So I sliced the tau kwa into pieces and look at all these beautiful pores over here. This is achieved through freezing it overnight and thawing it earlier. And all these pores, right, will absorb the gravy from the Loo sauce later and making this tau kwa more flavorful. Now all the ingredients are cut and ready, so now let's get cooking. So I'm going to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil here. I'm going to add in the thinly sliced shallot to fry it till the fragrance releases. This type of one-pot recipe, I love cooking using a pot because I can, just swing and fry the ingredients anyhow I like it and it will not mess up my stove. Now the shallots is nice and fragrant and it's slightly translucent now. I'm going to put it into a bowl and set it aside. I'm going to use it later on. So using the same pot, I'm going to fry the pork now. I'm going to add in another 1 tablespoon of oil. In this recipe, I'm using 2 different types of pork. I'm going to use the minced pork and the pork belly so it gives a different texture to the bite. So next, I'm going to fry it till it's about 3/4 cooked. So now the pork is ready. I'm going to add in all the seasoning except for the egg and the tau kwa. So first we'll have the superior dark soy sauce. So now I'm going to add in the 5 spice powder, which is also called the wuxiangfen. The next thing we're going to add is the shallots that we have fried just now. I'm going to add in the rock sugar. This is to balance the taste of the whole dish. I'm going to add in some rice wine to add complexity to the dish. I'm going to add in 500 ml of water to just make sure that the ingredients are all fully submerged into the sauce. So now I'm going to give the ingredients a good mix and I'm going to add in the eggs and the tau kwa. Okay, so now the ingredients are all well mixed. The next thing is I'm going to add in the eggs and the tau kwa. Okay, so 4 eggs over here. These are all hard boiled already. Just boil over 7 minutes and it will be ready. So now I'm going to use a spoon and push the tau kwa and egg into the sauce. And after which, I'm going to cover up with the lid and let it simmer for 45 minutes and it will be ready to be served. The Loo Peiwen is ready. I'm so excited to take my first bite. It's really good. The flavor of the pork together with the 5 spice powder and the fried shallots is amazing. And you should try this recipe. So that's all for today. So if you do like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up for this video and drop me a comment below. see you real soon. Bye! The roll fun is ready. I'm so excited to take my first bite. I'm gonna take my first bite now. So excited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take my first bite now. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take my first bite now. I'm so excited.